Hi guys! Today I'm so happy because I will make cookies, healthy carrot cookies. It's so easy and healthy cookies recipes without oven, mixer and egg, but still crunchy. Let's go! Firstly, we must prepare the tools and the ingredients. I just need a pan, tray and opener like this to bake. Cradle, knife, spoon, fork and bowl. For the ingredients, I just need 4 ingredients. There is a carrot approximately 50 gram, 100 gram margarine, 50 gram milk or 2 sachets, and 100 gram flour. So, how to make it? Let's get started. The first, grating carrot. And next, putting margarine into the bowl and then soften it. And next, mixing margarine with milk. I don't use mixer, but I just use fork to mix there. And next, adding the carrots and mixing again. And next, adding flour. It can be better if you add it on 2 steps and to mix it until well combined. I'm gonna use my hand. Don't forget to wash your hand. Okay, that's perfect. This roll looks like this. Next, preparing a tray that has been oiled by margarine to keep from sticking. You can shape it any way you want. But I wanna shape it like this. And last, it's time to bake. Baking in the simple tools that have heated up for 5 minutes. You have to bake this with low temperature or small fire for 40 minutes. Finally, after 40 minutes, it looks absolutely fantastic. And the smell is good. You have to try it. Okay guys, that's all. Thanks for watching.